Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover your past stories from Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on that menu icon. Now tap on setting gear. Scroll a little down. And here you can see access your information. Tap on it. Now select continue. Now open your account. Here you can see account, access your account information, download your information, and you have to send them a request. Now let's open our app. Next, now you have to select types of the information. Now here you can see you have to search the stories. Here you can see the stories options. Tap on it. Now tap on next, and here you have to select that format. Like you have to select the quality, medium, high, low, whatever you want to select. Now you have to select the format, whatever you want to select, and then now you have to add your email from where you get your data recovery, right? Put the email here from where you can receive your data. After entering your email here, send them the request, and after sending them the request, they will send your all data in your email in 24 hours. So this is how you can easily recover your previous data from the Facebook.